Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Wisconsin to Winter Park, Illinois until 7 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms were located from Sheboygan to Port Washington, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater with any of these stronger. Also expect a sudden wind shift from southeast to west or northwest near the lakeshore. Source: radar and upstream surface observations. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The scattered storms will continue to affect the open waters until around 7 p.m. this evening. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Ollie, I saw you watching a video first.
From Winter Harbor to Michigan City out to Midland until 8:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a line of strong showers and isolated thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southeast of Racine to near Crystal Lake, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for a portion of southeast Wisconsin, including Racine and Midland. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a line of showers and isolated severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Geneva to Newark, moving east at 35 miles per hour. A wind gust to 58 miles per hour was observed at Aurora Airport in Sugar Grove with these. Despite little to no lightning, there are isolated severe gusts with these showers. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Batavia, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Yorkville, Hinsdale, Lamont, Plano, Burr Ridge, and Westmont, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 253 and 276. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 142. Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 132. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 21. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KWEST 039 Chicago. Severe weather is occurring or forecast. Warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor. Nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 7 Strong showers were located along a line extending from Belmont Harbor to 11 nautical miles southeast of Joliet, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall, northwestern Will, southern DuPage, and southwestern